Ever feel like your fingers just won't cooperate when switching frets? Struggling with sloppy movements and slow transitions? Today we're working on the climbing anchor exercise, a powerful drill that will train your fingers to be more independent, more accurate, and much faster. Real quick, if you don't already know who I am, my name's Wade Collins and I run Guitar Fastlane, a worldwide online guitar school. I've been playing, performing, teaching, and writing songs for over 20 years. I've played on many stages, in bands, and solo, and even recorded and mixed albums. But enough about me, let's get to the lesson. Why is this exercise such a game changer? Strengthens finger independence, especially the ring and pinky fingers. It builds precision by reducing unnecessary movement, develops speed while keeping your playing controlled, trains you to anchor a finger while moving other fingers, and it applies directly to chord changes, lead guitar playing, fast runs, and smooth fretboard transitions. Stick around because by the end of this lesson, your fingers will feel more controlled, your movement will be more fluid, and your playing will become much more effortless. All right, so when doing this exercise, there's a few things you want to keep in mind. Number one, try to make sure that your fingers stay as close to the fretboard and the strings as possible. Try to keep low tension and keep nice and relaxed. This exercise is quite difficult, so take your time with it. Go slow. Don't get frustrated with yourself. Just go nice and easy. Make sure to keep breathing through it and stay relaxed. So in this exercise, there's kind of 4 different ways we can do it. First way is anchoring your first finger, and we'd anchor that on the 7th fret of the G string. The second way is anchoring your middle finger on the 8th fret of the G string. The third way is anchoring your third finger on the 9th fret of the G string. And the fourth way is anchoring your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the G string. So this is kind of similar to what some people call the spider exercise, which is like a 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise. But we're not going to use all 4 fingers. We're going to keep one finger anchored. So for the first one, like I mentioned, we're going to keep the first finger anchored on the 7th fret of the G string. And again, we're doing this exercise on the higher frets because there's less of a reach up here. So it'll be easier than in the lower frets. If you get practicing this, you want to make it more difficult, you can speed it up with the metronome. And another way to make it more difficult is to work your way down to the lower frets, because as you do that, there's a bit more of a stretch there. First finger goes on the 7th fret of the G string, and we're going to play 1 finger per fret here. So keep this finger anchored, and you don't want to lift it up at all as you're doing this exercise. So I'm going to go 2, 3, 4. So right now I'm saying the finger numbers. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Notice my first finger is not moving. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go backwards. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying this lesson so far, I think you'd really enjoy my free resource called 3 Game-Changing Secrets. Play your favorite songs, jam confidently, and finally have fun on the guitar. Check it out. You can get it for free right below this lesson. So that's the first way of doing this exercise with the first finger anchored. Now let's do the middle finger or second finger anchored. So similar idea, but this time it's going to be your first, third, and fourth fingers that are going to be playing. So again, keep this middle finger pushing that string down and don't lift it off. So we'll go 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Once we're here, we're going to go backwards. 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. So you probably noticed that exercise got quite a bit more difficult with that second finger being anchored. Now we're going to do the same thing with the third finger anchored. This is probably the most difficult one to do. So try to keep this ring finger from lifting off the fretboard. So for this one, we're going to go 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And then once you're there, you're going to go backwards. Again, take your time with this. This one's the most difficult. 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. And now onto the last one, which is anchoring your pinky on the 10th fret of the G string. Your pinky finger is going to stay anchored. Don't lift it up at all. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And once you've made it here, now it's time to go backwards. We're going to go 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. All right, great job. Like I said, this is a very difficult exercise. Take your time with it. Don't get frustrated. Remember to stay relaxed, breathe through it, go nice and slow. And if you're starting with a metronome, start very slow. Try starting at maybe 30, 40, 50 beats per minute and work your way up one note at a time. Again, great exercise. Throw this into your warm-up because it'll help you with finger separation, strengthening each finger and getting each finger moving on its own, because this will make a huge difference for chord changes, but also for playing lead guitar and any other riffs that are upcoming. So use this and some of the other exercises I gave you as a great warm-up exercise to get your fingers moving. You've made it this far, so I know you're serious about improving your guitar skills. Why not keep the momentum going? Hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss our future lessons, and then click on your next lesson right here. I think you'll love it. I'll see you over there.